Yeah, boy, we're the outside here now. Watch it. That's what we want to see.
Yeah. The reason why Anjan is outside today is because we have plenty of whales to see.
Right.
Yeah.
Boy, that's not good at all for Anjan, boy. Anjan, if you hear me going on, yeah, just stay here, let me come. Nah, me have to go. Me not like to treat me partner Anjan, man. Me not like to treat me partner Anjan. Can you hear me? Bad. And are you good? Alright, you see there? Anjan, come. Get there. Alright, let me see you. Anjan there. You man want to dive in? Hold on. What? Anjan driving like crazy now, what? Anjan bad like jail up there. Really? Tell him there's something now. Tell him something. Well, I'm here. So I want to know something about your these skills. Yeah, people. What behind now with them, man? Bloody Owia Waterfall, man. Located on the windward side of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And this is the baddest flex right now in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So come up here and enjoy yourself.